The first trades honestly are much better than what the global markets were indicating and suggesting, whereas Asian markets are firmly fixed in red. 6-point uptick for the Nifty, and for the Sensex, it's a 9-point uptick. It's not the price action, it is the color of trade which is important. For the world it's red, and for us it is green. No, it's red for us already. What do you want to start with? But of course, Reliance Industries, and 3 rupees down for Reliance Industries. 881 for RIL. No big bang reaction to the result, but Wipro on expected lines. The result reaction is obvious and quite prominent. 12 rupees up for Wipro. Whereas TCS, whereas Tech Mahindra, and whereas Infosys, PTC, they came out with blowout set of numbers. Aurobindo Pharma, small acquisition, that's not going to nudge the needle much. TCS is bouncing back, but Tech Mahindra has not bounced back. Wipro is still at 565 rupees. I also want to look at oil marketing stocks across the board. That was the big talking point on Friday. ONGC, HPCL, BPCL and IOC. I wouldn't say they were on a tear, but they definitely had a constructive Friday, and there is no follow buying whatsoever for any of the oil marketing stocks.
The bank Nifty is something that you would want to focus on, considering that now is pretty close to entering into the bear market territory, and banking really continues to be the eyesore. Today as well, it started off with a negative bias, although just a tad bit soft right now. 10,894 is where the bank Nifty futures are. Let's see what the frontline banking names as well are up to. Well, the market is just about lying quiet in trade. HDFC Bank, PNB, Axis, BOB, these were some of the big losers in trade in Friday's session. Today as well is no great move coming in there. It's pretty much a mixed bag with names like Axis and ICICI Bank totally in the red. Ultratech Cement, Asian Paints, Imami, Aptech, these are some of the names. Devan Housing are some of the names that you would want to look out for ahead of their earnings today. Aurobindo Pharma, that continues to be in news. Watch out for that one as well. A good 2.5% uptick is what it's currently sitting at. The European arm, that's Activists' commercial operations, are now going on in 7 European nations, and the European arm is looking to buy 7 European operations from Activists for a sum total of 30 million euros. Aurobindo Pharma still spiking only higher. Kingfisher Airlines, whatever is left of the stock, the Karnataka High Court has now refused to squash the criminal proceedings against Vijay Mallya. The stock is now reduced to $4. Less than that, actually. Biocon, which has introduced the world's first biosimilar for a breast cancer drug. Biocon has started off on a tear, a good 2.6% higher, and it's only climbing higher and higher as we speak. Indico Remedies, considering after the knockdown of 20% in Friday's session, they've now denied that they got any US FDA warning letter. Indico Remedies, though, still continues to be in red.